Hey guys, I'm Vandana Deo. Today I'm going to show you a new recipe. Many a times, as a parent, you are worried that your children avoid to eat green leafy vegetables. So we are going to make a recipe in such a way that they will eat the greens. You want a recipe which is good looking, tasty and nutritious. The lady of the house is a dietitian of the house. You are doing a very important role. So today I'm going to show you a recipe with Moringa. So let us see how the tree looks like and pluck some fresh leaves. Moringa is called as nature's multivitamin. It is called as drumstick tree. It contains a variety of proteins, vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, folate, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. It improves your skin and hair, protects your liver, prevents cancer, improves gut flora. It is good for bones. It fights bacterial diseases. It is good for heart, good for diabetes, reduces high BP, improves eye health, and treats anemia and prevents inflammation. We are going to make a rice with this. So I am going to use long grain rice. I am going to take 1 cup rice, wash it well, then add required quantity of water, then put a teaspoon of ghee in that, so the grains will be separate. Cook up to only 1 whistle and switch off the gas. I am going to use chickpeas in this rice so that we can increase protein content in this recipe. I have soaked the chickpeas overnight. Then I am going to cook in cooker up to 4 whistles. While cooking the chickpea, I put 1 pinch of baking soda so that it will be very soft. If you want, you may omit this. Once it is cooked until soft, drain the water and keep it aside. First I am going to cut the onions vertically. Here I am using 2 to 3 small onions. Now let us slice the tomatoes and keep aside. Now I am going to use cast iron skillet, which is quite heavy, so it gives even heat. Now put a tablespoon of ghee in the skillet. First I am going to add some jeera or cumin seeds. Then I am going to use masala leaf, which I grow in my kitchen garden. It gives a very good flavor to the rice. You can use a bay leaf instead. I'm also going to put a piece of star anise, 3 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon and 1 piece of mace or zavitri. Now while it is spluttering, I'm going to grind garlic and moringa leaves along with some fresh coconut and 2-3 chilies. The chilies you can adjust according to your taste. It smells raw and may put you off, but after cooking that strong smell will go away. Now put the onions in the skillet. Let them cook until light brown. Then put the already cooked rice and the chickpeas. Add some turmeric. Then put the moringa masala and also put some cashews. Now cover it and let it cook well. Then put salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee from sides. Cover again. Then once it is ready, take out in a serving bowl and decorate with tomatoes and serve. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.